Panos, take it away. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hello, my name is Panos. I'm 28 years old, and these are my two Silvias.
When did you buy them, or which one did you buy first? And tell us a little bit about that.
The story behind this one, the street legal, before this car, I used to have a Starlet GT, and I find this one, and the guy who was having the car, he said, "Give me the Starlet, I'll give you the Silvia and 700 euros." I said, "Okay, why not?" And that's how I got it.
So why a Silvia?
Because it's rear-wheel drive and turbo.
Tell us about the second car then.
The second car, I bought it 3 years from now, and it was a race car. Before I bought the car, this was with a CA18 engine on it, and it was blown. So I get the race car, I took everything apart, and I put it on this one.
Tell us a little bit about the first car, the street legal car, and what it looked like when you bought it.
It was completely yellow, and the wheels was yellow. It was with the CA18. It was a disaster.
Were you at all influenced by your brother's car? As some of our viewers know that your brother had an S14A as well. Were you at all influenced by that in your choice of getting a Silvia?
I was the first to buy a Silvia. So my brother bought it later.
That's news. I didn't know that part. So take us a little bit through the journey about the engine swaps and how long it took you to build them and to where it's got you now.
Yeah, the first 4 or 5 years I was studying Greece, so I didn't do anything with the car. I came back, I came to the first Matsuri, I blew a head gasket, and then I decided, okay, let's build it up, the CA. I put the head gaskets, bearings, head studs, bigger turbo, chip. After the first test drive, it blows. So yeah, for a year it was sitting like this. And then I find the race car for cheap, and I swapped everything.
So once you started swapping everything to the way that you have it now, or the way that you had it when you got it back out on the road, how long did that take you?
Probably 2 years.
Because we know you did quite a bit of the work on the car. How much work did you actually put into the car?
I did everything by my own to the car. I swapped the engine, I fixed the engine loom, the harness, everything. I make it in the car, only except the tune.
Panos, walk us through what the car's got on it, what upgrades you've done, the engine, all of that kind of stuff.
The engine is an SR20 DT inside. It's a fully built engine, the bottom block, and with stock head, with GT2860 GTIR turbo, with external wastegate, an HKS CCU F-Con-V Pro. It has 10 suspension coilovers. And the interior has raised seats, roll cage, fully gauge, and a meth kit.
What do you use the car for?
So the car is street legal. It's a weekend car now, but I never lose a Matsuri in Athena Speedway, and I use it for drift.
Why haven't you done anything about the exterior yet? A lot of people know this car and a lot of people have liked this car a lot because of the way the exterior is. Tell us a bit about it yourself.
When I took the car, I didn't know how to drift. So I was thinking I made the engine run good, the geometry of the car to be good, to drift, to learn how to drift, and then I'll paint the car. So it's the last step for the car to paint it. I have a fully kit, the Cookie kit, the Type X, and it's the last part.
So with everything that you've done to the car, all the modifications that you've put on it, how much horsepower is it making right now?
Now the car makes 320 at the wheels. I think it's plenty for the drift. Maybe to the future, I would like to go around 400.
How easy did you find it getting into drifting in Cyprus?
It was easy. It was easy. Um, it's cheap to drift in Cyprus. Um, yeah, it's good.
And you found the S13 as an easy enough platform to learn to drift on?
Yeah, it's pretty easy. You need practice. Yeah.
What would you say is the single most important thing that helped you pick up drifting as quickly as you did?
Turn up the boost and the limited slip, the differential. The other things is what you like to do. And the sounds of the external.
The sounds of the external. Foot to the floor just so you can hear that.
Yeah.
What are your plans for the car for the future?
To paint it for my wedding and maybe a little more power, and that's it.
Have you got any plans for the other car?
Not right now, but I would love to build an engine and throw it inside and make it a race car. Not right now.
Perfect, Panos. Thank you.
Thank you guys.